Sorry, you're not in it. Just the outside. I just
a little face. Thank you. You put the card down, so you jacks again. And I put one junk in there, so there's a jack. I don't know.
Good game though, isn't it? Yeah. What do you think?
Making a time go, I'm enjoying it.
Dan Bills are alright.
Bills.
Guys, in the winter time I have to moisturize my skin and my hair like 100 times more than what I would normally do in the other seasons, because it's just so harsh on my skin. It's so harsh. So I'm just going in with the first aid, you guys know. That's my go-to, just to nourish the actual skin. I'm just gonna do a bit of layering. I'm going to go in with this one. This is just some wild organ oil. It's just dry oil, so it don't really seep into the skin, it kind of just sits on it. So because I have the nourishing one, I just put this one just for that extra boom. Just spray some on my neck as well, so I can look moisturized. Morning everyone. It's giving. It's cute. I love me with short hair. Let me show you guys my hair, by the way. I forgot to show you guys. I love me with short hair. She literally just perm me, cut me, treat me, and then that was it. I didn't style it, she didn't tongue it, didn't straighten it, because my hair is so badly damaged. Haven't been giving it the best care after my trip in Jamaica. So we just kind of cut off all the blonde bits and tried to leave what was healthy. So this is my hair. I'm just gonna grab my shoes, take down the bin, and then we can be on our way. Which bag are we bringing? I wanted to bring the Valentino, but it's just not given today.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016.
Maybe it's not Mary. Maybe it's love.
Well, whatever it is, pray that it never hits you.
I've got a feeling love don't have to be the way.
And then could I have one vanilla as well?
Vanilla?
Could I have them in separate bags, please, if that's okay? Yes, please, if that's all right. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're actually doing one of my favorite things, which is traveling. We're just going on a little adventure, and we're definitely going outside of London. I can't remember the last time I've been outside of London, but still in the UK. But today we're going to do that. But when we get to the station, I'll tell you guys where we're going. That's if it's not in the title already. I'm at Lola's Cupcake now. Absolute favorite, by the way, cooking cream. Paying by card if that's okay. Yep, thank you.
The next station is Whitewater.
Hey guys, just checking in on the journey. I'm one stop away from the train station that we're going to be boarding the train that's going outside of London. So it's like the outbound train. And I'm starving. It's just about, let me see the time, you guys know what's happening. It's just 10:17 now and I'm so hungry. So I've asked Jaydah to get us McDonald's, not McDonald's, Burger King. I don't really like McDonald's breakfast if I'm honest. Like, I prefer having Burger King chicken royale. I actually prefer that. But Jay doesn't like Burger King's breakfast, so we don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know what she's gonna order. But yeah, just thought I'd update you guys. I'll let you guys know what's happening when I'm on the train.
more stuff for today. Okay, nice day.
Oh guys, this is a black cab as well, if you was wondering. That's a black cab. The famous ones that you guys see in the movies. This is Paddington Station. I think I've been here before, but maybe just like one occasion, because I have no recollection of being here. And you can get trains from here to the airport, like express train service to the airport. And it has loads of trains that goes outside of London, like Wales. And they do like long routes, like I think Oxford maybe as well. But yeah, this is Paddington. I'll show you guys what inside looks like. I'm at the train station now. I'm just trying to find Jade, but I found Burger King. So I don't know if I should get us Burger King, but I want to find her first and then just see what we're doing, because we've got an hour to spare until the train comes. We basically wanted to come like 2 hours early to see if we could board earlier than what we booked, but obviously I was a bit late, so we're not going to do that. I just want to get a face mask, I just want to get Burger King, I just want to have a good time. So I just found my babe and goodie a drink to you. Wait guys, just a bit of commotion for the dress. It has pockets. I love clothes that have pockets. I mean, I may not use them because it may make it a bit ill-shaped, but the dress has pockets and I didn't know, and it's almost like invisible pockets. And it's proper midi length. It looks like Jamaican khaki uniform in a dress. But I just think it's so flattering, like, especially in real life. I just feel like it complements my skin well. And it was a good buy. I think I even got it in the sale as well. Can I have some commotion for the skin? 15 please. I'm back. 15 pounds.
Thank you.
15 pounds for breakfast. Oh, Jay just texted me. It's a bit too late for that, babe. Oh, my camera battery's dying already. We haven't even boarded it yet.
Hello, making me. Hello, making. One more is coming.
Yeah, I'll have a bottle of water.
Royal cheese and bacon, just a burger.
Guys, I've got my heart stuck on the chicken royale, but I don't know if I should get the chicken royale or the bacon double cheese extra large burger. Jade is going to pop a pill. Do you have a headache?
You're in Daddy Seaboard now. Yeah. I was in the toilet with Daddy Seaboard, which I didn't read him about a ticket. So we're in the toilet, opposite each other on the train, right?
So guys, we've just left Paddington.
Sat in there for ages, like talking between each other.
We're on our way.
I'm like, do you reckon he's gone? He's got to be gone by now.
Got the Burger King, got the food secured, got the cupcakes, got some breakfast, but we don't have any snacks and we don't have any alcohol, so we're just going to do a bit of shopping when we get there.
I need to get
I came home, say around 2:45, still so high, hypnotized in a trance from this body, so buttery brown.
I'm going to leave it in this part again.
So we've got one carry.
Yeah, you're fine. Sorry, I'm just vlogging.
One person playing out their last track.
You would have thought I needed help from this feeling that I felt. So shook, I had to catch my breath. Oops, there goes my shirt up over my head. Oh my. Oops, there goes
This train now? The man a friend of me, Jade. Guys, we got the guys. It's 2:21. We're getting the train at 2:21. We're in Wales. It's my first time. Guys, it's my first time coming in a train like this. So you know my friends. They have cycle space to store bicycles. They have a toilet.
The next
They have a toilet down there. I'll show you guys the toilet in a minute.
Thank you.
But we're in Wales now, and we had to change. And yeah, but I don't want to touch their germs. Yeah. About 2 more hours and we're there. Sunshine, far away. Rainfall, far away. And now we're back. I think the rain is about to come down again. So this is what the scenery looks like. It's like a little town, you know.
So we went back to the hotel and we watched it. No, I think it was good. I mean, it is just a walk. So the distance to get people there.
Listen on your side and see if it works.
Caressing my legs, oh my, ooh, I'm turning red, who could this be? I tried and I tried to.
World, just letting you guys know that we arrived. Just letting you guys know that we arrived safe and sound. Jade, what? No, maybe they're right back here. We are screaming out my name for my eye, my last. Go on, we are, go man. Try. Girl, now I'm a vlogger and showing her the things. People wanna see her. Eh? See her the red that's on? I'm gonna go walk her down. Go share about the drama from my channel for. Anyways guys, got good tour, reach safe and sound. Jade left the cupcakes that I bought her on the train, so I'm fuming. But we're just rushing out to check in at the hotel, so let me just enjoy my time, and then if I see you guys, I see you guys. Take care. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Swallow my pride, let it ride and parted, but this body felt just like mine. I got worried. I looked over to the left, a reflection of myself. That's why I couldn't catch my breath. Oops, there goes my shirt up over my head. Oh my. Oops, there goes my skirt dropping to my feet. Oh my. Ooh, some kind of touch caressing my legs. Oh my.
It never ever dropped, but now I just don't like the way cases feel. I'm gonna get a case now because my brother even asked for it. And I'm like, you don't know what could this.